quick project to make using your yarn stash, making this cute skinny scarf. So that's what I'm making. I'm working on the skinny scarf with some leftover yarn. This is cute. It's simple, it's fun. So this year is all about me crocheting for myself and doing what makes me happy. I feel like I should use all my stash to crochet something, and I've been doing that. I made a bag, I made some scrunchies, and now I'm working on a skinny scarf. So this is a crochet skinny scarf with so many different stitches. Yeah, look at this one. Oh, looks cute. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just mixing them, half double crochet, treble crochet with some designs. Yep. Crochet with me for a short time before we go out for my son's spelling bee. This week has been a busy week. This is just one day in my week of a crochet artist. So I'll be crocheting slowly while I get some rest before we go for the spelling bee for my son today. Okay, so while I'm crocheting, trying to finish this scarf, I have to go get ready for my son's spelling bee. I'm so proud of him that he's doing the spelling bee. It was not easy helping him learn. So me and my husband, we went out together, and you can see the snow is everywhere. New York snow this time is just crazy, but we got through it, and then we went for the spelling bee, and he has so much fun. It was his first time doing the spelling bee, and he did so well. God being so good, he did so well, and he'll be going for the state spelling bee. I'm so proud of him.
I want to thank PSMS 101.
Good job, Boris. Really good player. Of course, you make me feel like I did so well. Congratulations, Boris. So after a long day working so hard, it's time for me to get home and do mommy duties and also crochet the scarf that I'm working on. This is how my neighborhood looks like. So nasty. Hello. And so I'm back home to continue with my crochet scarf. It's been a long day, a long week. As you can see in the video, we did so many things, and this, I think, will be the final video for this vlog. So I'm going to continue with my crochet. I wasn't able to make a video on my lunch because there were so many people there, and I don't want to be talking. They'll be like, "What is she doing?" So my co-workers were there. So I'm going to continue with the scarf. Let me show you the progress of the scarf. So this skinny scarf has so many colors, many stitches. You can see so many stitches, a whole lot of stitches. I want it to be so long, and when I finish I'm going to steam it. After I steam it, it will be so long, and I'll wear it with this top. See this top that I made? It's so cute. It's like it goes on one side. Then I'll use the scarf to style it. I can't wait to show you all how this will look like. So I'll just continue with the crochet skinny scarf. I have so many videos to talk to you guys about, but it's like I get home and I don't have the time to make videos, but I want to do it. So I'm thinking I should come on live every day after my 9 to 5 job, starting at 6 to 6:30. I think that would be a good thing. 6 p.m. for at least 30 minutes so I can have a chat with you guys. So if you are watching this video and you like the video so far, so please subscribe and like, comment below what you think. Comment below what you are crocheting, what are you working on. Do you like watching crochet videos? And also tell me what to work on next. I think by now everybody knows that I love tea. I do love tea, especially Lipton. It's like I'm doing an ad for them, but yeah, I love Lipton. That's my favorite. So I've been thinking of making scrunchies, a lot of them. I've been crocheting scrunchies. They are quick and I'm loving them. But I have different type of yarns that I want to try on the scrunchies, and I have so many of this elastic for the scrunchies. I have a lot. So I'm thinking of making the scrunchies video only, which will be how many scrunchies I can make in a week. And this will be me crocheting the scrunchies in the train going to work, after work in the train, crochet scrunchies on my break, which is 30 minutes, and on my lunch, which is 45 minutes. So I'll do all those. I'll try and document some of them, and after everything I'll give away the scrunchies. What do you think? That's what I'm thinking. So I'll be doing scrunchies giveaway. Yeah. If you like this video so far, subscribe and comment. Let's have fun together. Yep. Okay, so I'm taking a note about the YouTube tutorials and videos that we'll be working on. I've been doing that for some days now. Listen, it's not easy, but it's interesting. I'm taking a note of everything we'll be working on. I don't want to show you everything, you can see it. That's what I'm working on. So I'm crocheting the scarf, and at the same time I'm taking note of the videos we should talk about, because this channel is all about crochet. We talk about crochet and life, only crochet, anything crochet. Okay, we talk about the reason why you should crochet. We'll be talking about gifts, crochet gifts. We're talking about yarn, needles, hook, stuff like that. Anything crochet. That's it. So I've been working so hard on videos, on scripts. I've written a lot. Like, see, I don't know if you can see it. I don't want to show everything because it's my secret. So that's what I'm working on. And crochet at the same time. You know, you have to multitask. If you want things to work for you, you have to work hard. So that's what I've been doing. Like, I pay so much attention to my Instagram account, and I have so many followers there. And some of you here watching me on YouTube normally follow me on Instagram, I know. And I appreciate that a lot. So I just want to build this just like I build my Instagram. Time, dedication, and love, you know? So the scarf is done, it's cute. I like that it's different and it's unique. There is nothing like it. That's one good thing about crochet. When you have a crochet outfit, nobody has the same thing that you have. And it's so good for me to dress out right now. So I just put this on to show you how it looks like. So this is the top and this is the skinny scarf I was working on. Thank you guys so much for coming along with me through this journey. Thank you so much. Subscribe, like, comment what you think. Bye. See you next time.